in this class we are going to see how to use the segmented controller, right? If you want to select one option from many number of options, we will use the segmented controller, right? So now I am going to create a project using export 6.1. So create new export project, single view application, next segmented controller. What is that? Segmented controller, right? So use that. Desktop. So create, right? So now go to here in the view controller, change this your go to storyboard, and this controller, select this, change this size of this to 4 inches. Now drag and drop what? Segmented controller. What is that? Segmented controller. UI segmented controller, right? By default it has two segments. If you want, you can increase the width and height of the segment, right? First and second segments it has, right? Now see, if you want three segments, go to here, go to here. So first and second, go to properties and increase the number of segments, right? Three segments. Select the segment, second segment, you can change what? Segment number, right? Third, right? Now this is, I have three segments. Now I am going to design a something like some example application to understand uh, how the segment controller works. I am going to take a UI image which is a size of 128 by 128. Correct? Take it horizontally center somewhere here, right? Now see, now whenever I select the first, I want to display one image. Whenever I select the second, I want to display one more image. Whenever I select the third, I want to change that one more image, right? So now go to the segment controller and see the connection inspector. There are some event. Value change event is there. Value means segment number it is going to give us, right? So now go to the assistant editor, drag and drop that one, right? So value change, right? Segment method name is segment value change, right? Segment value change, right? So now go to normal view, go to the view controller, you can see what? Segmented value change method, right? Sender is what? Sender is your UI segment control, UI segmented control, right? Right? Now write a switch place, switch sender dot segment selected, segment selected segment index, right? If index is 0, that means first segment. If index is 1, that is second segment, correct? I'm going to write some code here, correct? So 1, 2, right? 3 cases and the default place. Now I'm going to take some image view. So I need to take the image view also, right? So where is the image view object? So UI image equal to nil, right? Based on the case, I need to select the one of the image equal to UI image name, correct? So what is the name of the image? First we need to take some images to the project, right? So go to Finder, desktop folder is what? Images. From this you can drag some of the images in the supporting files wherever you want. It is up to us, right? Select the copy and finish. Likewise, you have to take many images, this one and this one. Copy, finish, right? So now what is the name of this image? First one is what? Copy paste. Instead of getting spelling mistake, if you copy paste, then it will work, right? This is what your name of the image, right? So now same way you need to take three images, right? With case 1 is something, case 2 is something, correct? What is the one more image name? This one. Copy, go to view controller, change this name, correct? So name is change. Come to here, this is the mistakes. Right, same way here also we need to change this. What is the image name here? So this one. Go to here and change this name. Correct. Now we need to set this image. There is this closing bracket is missing. Now I need to set this image to whom? Image view, right? In the cases, what I am doing, I am accessing the image based on the case. If it is a case 1 is different image, case 2 is different, case 0 is. Finally, once this sketch is completed, what I need to do, where this switch is going to be completed here. Here what I need to do, I need to set that image to whom? Image view. But image view is where it is available? In the interface builder. How to access the object which is created by the interface builder? Through connections. Go to this assistant editor, go to the connection inspector. Now what I have to do, I have to write a new referencing outlet. What is the new referencing outlet? Come to here, drag and drop to here, right? So what is that? No, cancel it. Select the image view. I need image view object. So new referencing outlet, and then name it as a image view, right? Now go to the normal mode, go to the view controller. Now you can set that, right? Here self dot image view set image. What is that image? Normal image, right? Now see. Right, based on the option it is going to be change the image. Okay. So if you want to see the debugging, keep the breakpoint, then observe how it is working. Go to here and go to first. So first is case 0, right? It is executing this, then it come to here directly breaking, it is set that image. See, second is this one. See, go to second case, come to here, break, then set that image, right? So based on our option, it is going to set the image. And this is the example to set the image based on our requirement. Instead of image we can do something, right? So this is about how to use the segment control. Same way, if you want to change the appearance of the segment control, that is also possible, right? For example, you can go for selected image differently. So go for storyboard, you can see all the properties there. See how many properties are there. So you can change the image for this item, first item. Change this item number here and drag and drop some image, you can keep that image, right? So by default 0 1 is selected. If you want to by default selected one is third, go to third and make it as a selected. Then if you see this first one, it is not in the selected. By default at a time only one option is going to be in the selected state, right? So same way, how many segments are there? If you want to increase the segment number, then you need to make it as a the 3 or 4, right? Now select the momentary, and see what it is going to be happen, right? So see, momentary, if you select the momentary, what will happen? It is not going to be in the selected state. It will select, it will give it some practical feedback, and it is going to be again back to the normal appearance. If you deselect the momentary, what will happen? Go here and see here. So that state is going to be stay back over there. See, previously what it will happen? The blue color is coming and going. Due to that momentary, it is happening like that, right? So if you want it to be in the same selected state, then unselect the momentary, right? So then you don't want any background color of this, then select the momentary, right? So there are many styles are there. So border style, this style is going to be changed for the this is border style, right? Bar style, you can see the bar style or plain style also, right? So border style, if you want to run and see yes, it will be having some borders, right? Same way bar style also, right? So generally we will use what? Plain style of that. This is the plain style, right? So this is about how to use the segmented control. Whenever if you want to select the only one item from many number of items, for example, you can go for third options also, first, second and fourth also, right? So then if you want to select only one option, then you will generally use what? Segment controller. If you want two options, we can go for switch, UI switch, whether true or false. If you want to provide more options, then come to the UI segment controller, right? This is about the segment controller.